Can you believe this entire sheet of crackers all together perfectly? No crumbles, no cracks. It's all thanks to the magic of chia seeds.
Break into half from here. Wow. Oh, only the last piece. Gang. Look at that. Let's try.
And listen to that crunch. This is not just any seed cracker, it's next level crispy. Crunchy, crispy, and so tasty. The secret, chia seeds. These little powerhouses don't just bind the mix, they create the ultimate texture when baked. To get the perfect binding, stick to a ratio of 200 grams of mixed nuts and seeds to 50 grams of chia seeds with about 200 milliliter of water. This balance is key to holding everything together. You can also match the flavoring to your taste. Once mixed, the chia seeds work their magic, thickening the mixture into a gooey consistency that scoops up easily. When you see it gets lumpy, it's time. Spread it out evenly, smooth the surface, score the crackers for clean breaks later. Then bake low and slow at 130 Celsius for about 1 hour. This gentle heat ensures a perfectly even bake and that signature crunch. If you love healthy snacks like this, you've got to check out our no-bake nut and seed crunch bars. It's another easy and delicious recipe you don't want to miss. Click here to watch it next.